Good morning, children. Today is Thursday. Repeat once again. Today is Thursday. Today is 16th July 2020. Phonic song of letter S. Sausages are sizzling. Please repeat. Sausages are sizzling. Sausages are sizzling. Sausages are sizzling. Is the sound of S. Once again. Sausages are sizzling. Sausages are sizzling. Sausages are sizzling. Is the sound of S. Please revise phonic song from letter A to letter S. Next, take your book of rhymes and songs, book number 6. Open page number 7. Please revise the rhyme once again, my hands. Okay, and don't forget to practice reading sight words. Next, open page number 8. Please revise the rhyme, my eyes, and also read the sight words. Next, take your general awareness book, book number 4. Open page number 18. Today we will revise once again how you can be independent. Independent means doing your work by yourself without taking help of your parents. Sometimes in few tasks you can ask your parents to help you, like cutting your nails. Okay, this thing kindly don't do by yourself. You will end up hurting yourself. So you can ask your parents to cut your nails. Okay, rest other things. See, you have to wake up early, eat your breakfast. Always keep your fingernails short and clean. And play every day to keep yourself fit. Take bath every day to keep yourself clean. Brush your teeth twice a day. Twice when? Morning once, night after having your dinner also. You have to brush your teeth and go to sleep. And wear clean clothes. And go to bed early. Okay, you have to wake up early and sleep early. Please go through this page once again and learn how to be independent. Next, take your literacy skills book, book number 1. Open page number 28. Here you are doing revision of vowels. Okay, vowels. What are vowels? Come on, tell me. Very good. A, E, I, O, U. These all are 5 letters. These are called what? Vowels. So here you can see pictures. Yes. So you have to identify the picture and you have to fill in the between. See, middle with a vowel. Middle letter should be a vowel. You have to fill in these words. You have to complete these words with a vowel. Now for your reference, I have done it. Okay, you can see. You first complete in your textbook, then write the same words in notebook also. See, first one we can see here pan. So look here, P is already given. A. What is the letter for A? It is A. Very good. N. P A N. Pan. Now what is this? Tap. Very good. T. A. P. Tap. Now what is this? Lid. You call it lid. Okay. The can or vessel, whenever you close it, you tell this upper part, the closing one which you use, that is called lid. L. E. E. Which letter? I. Very good. D. Lid. L. E. D. Lid. So this way you have to identify the picture and you have to read the word. Write again with vowel here. You have to fill in with the vowel. Please complete this page. And don't forget to write these words in your notebook. Practice writing all these words in your notebook. Next, take your second book of phonics, book number 2. Open page number 9. Today you will learn vowel U sound words. Now children, please tell me what is the phonic sound of U? Very good. Clap to yourself. Yes. Now you will start reading the words. A, B, ab. A, B, ab. K, A, B, cub. D, A, B, dub. H, A, B, hub. R, A, B, rub. T, A, B, tub. Now, U, D, D, D. D, ud. B, D, bud. K, D, cud. M, D, mud. G, ug. B, G, bug. H, G, hug. J, G, jug. L, G, lug. M, G, mug. R, G, rug. T, G, tug. Now next, M, G, M, gum. H, M, hum. M, M, mum. S, M, some. Please read all these words. Practice reading these words with your phonic sounds. Next, take your numeracy skills book, book number 3. Open page number 23. Today you will learn the concept more and less. Children, can you see here? we have 2 bowls and few crayons here. Okay, first we will count the crayons separately. See, this is one group and this is one group. First we will count. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are how many crayons? 4. Very good. Now let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are how many crayons? 6. Okay, now 6 means big number. Okay, it is big number. You should understand now. 6 means we are having more crayons in this bowl. This bowl is having more crayons. 4 is a small number than 6. So, this bowl is having less number of crayons. Always, whenever you are doing comparison, more and less, first you need to count the quantity. Then, the bowl which is having big number, it means it is having more number of objects. Now, are you ready with your book, Numeracy Skills book, book number 3 with page number 23. Okay. After doing that activity, we will do in the book. Who has more? You can see here 2 boys. Yes. The boy who is holding more number of objects, you have to circle it. So, you can count how many ice creams he is holding here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, write number 3. Now, how many this boy is having? Only 1. So, now you tell me who is having more ice creams? Very good. This boy is having more. So, you have to circle it. Please circle it. Now coming down, 2 girls, they are holding balloons. Very good. What are they holding? Balloons. Now let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please write number 5. How many balloons you got here? Write that number. Now count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now write number 7. Now which is a big number? Big number? Very good. 7. So who is having more balloons? Yes, this girl is having many balloons. So circle. Now, these boys, they are holding flowers. Okay, so this boy is having 4. Now, this boy is having 6. Now, you tell me which is big number, 4 or 6? Yes, very good. 6 is big number. So, circle this number 6. Okay. See, you have to write numbers because you will understand who is having more. More means having bigger number of objects. Now here you can see rabbit. Yes, 1, 2. How many carrots? 2. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this rabbit is having 4 carrots. Means who is having more carrots? Yes, this rabbit is having more. So you circle. This is how you have to practice more and less. Next, take your third practice workbook. Open page number 69. page number 69. This will be your homework. More, less. Okay. Again you are reviewing here the concept more, less. So what you have to do here is draw more of me. Here they have given only one apple. You can see how many apples here, children? One. If you have to draw more, you have to draw more than one. See here teacher has drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. So isn't it more? Yes. Now here you can see bananas. 1, 2, 3. So you have to draw more than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm having 5 bananas. Some more. Now this one, draw less of me. Here they have given few oranges. So compared to this, you have to draw less. Okay. Now we'll see here how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. Less than 4 means you can draw either 1 orange or 2 oranges or 3 oranges. Okay. Now here mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6 you have to draw less. I drew only 1, 2, 3. Okay. Less than 6. So this is how you have to learn more and less. Okay, bye children for today. Take care.